Hello, this is Mr. O, and I am going to be going through a getting started with Fusion 360 video. So when you install the lab or the Fusion 360 program on your MacBook, you will see this particular setup, this particular screen. And so let me show you very briefly. At the top here, we have our toolbar. This is a set of tools that you'll be using when you work with your designs and the items that you're going to be building. On the top is the tabs. These are the different drawings and the different designs that you have created. Initially, you'll start with the blank one. On the left hand side, at this waffle or 9 dots, or also called the app launcher or bento box, will open up a browser area, a specific area or data panel which has a lot of your drawings saved up in little folders. You'll see I have my Lego folders, my idler pulley folders over there. And I just click that again to close it up. Down the bottom is a history bar. There is nothing there at the moment, but if I go to one of my other drawings, you'll see a history bar. And what you can do is go backwards and forwards if you want, depending on what you have done, how I can drag. And if you need to fix anything that you've done or go back a step, this little history bar records exactly what you've done, and you can just go back a step if need be. Down here is a couple of the zoom and areas where you can use when you're working with your drawing. Most importantly, on the right hand side, you have your little view cube. This will give you a number of different views, like your three-dimensional home view, or if I want to just look at the top view, I can then turn this and look at the front view, or go back to my three-dimensional view that I had before. You'll find this very useful, this little view cube. Well, that's a good overall general look at the screen itself and the toolbars. I wish you well in working with Fusion 360.